Chirut, kunye. Hi friends, I am so excited to be here with you today. We get to learn some really new cool foot motions. We're going to learn about Chunjins and about Woojins. Chunjin means to charge forward. Woojin means to, whoops, get out of the way. So Chunjin is forward and Woojin is back. And they're both kind of a slide. So if you take your feet, practice it with me. Both feet move together, slide forward. And if you do a Woojin, both feet move back. In fact, I've got my dots out here in front of us, and we're going to use these. If you have paper plates at home, they work really good too. One foot on the middle dot, the other foot on the front dot. Then we're going to Woojin. We're going to jump all the way to the back two dots. Then we're going to Chunjin, and we're going to move forward. And if you don't have dots, it's okay. Just do the Chunjins forward and the Woojins back. Are you ready? Here we go. Woojin, Chunjin, Woojin, Chunjin, Woojin, Chunjin, Woojin, Chunjin. Good job. Let's switch sides. That's Pakwa in Korean if you don't know that yet. But you'll get there. Here we go. Ready? Chunjin, Woojin, Chunjin, Woojin, Chunjin, Woojin. You guys are so good. Wow. Are you getting there faster than me? All right. Okay, so it's a really fun way to use emotion. So if someone comes to attack you, you just get out of the way. If you need to keep yourself safe or if you need to attack, you can slide forward. These are really, really fun techniques, and I know you'll have a good time with them. So let's play a game. Are you ready? Here we go. I have a dice, and if you have a dice at home, you can use any size dice. They even have dice at $1 that you can use that are just 1 through 6. So find some fun dice. Here we go. I'm going to roll my dice. I got an 8. Check out this 8. Do you guys know what that looks like? That's an 8. We're going to be doing 8 Chunjins and 8 Woojins. So count them with me. Are you ready? We'll just do 8 total, 4 of each. Are you ready? And hana, do, set, net, fasten, yasen, elko, yado. Good job. I did that in Korean. Do you know the Korean words? Count them with me. We'll do it again nice and slow. We're going to do 8. Are you ready? Here we go. Hana, do, set, net, tasen, yasen, ilgo, yado. How many is that? You're right. That's 8. Good job. Well, that's our start for our Chunjins and our Woojins. Chunjin is to charge forward, and Woojin is to, whoa, slide back. So keep at it. Practice at home. Practice it all over the house today and outside in the yard. I want you to count how many Chunjins and how many Woojins you can do today. And then come back and do this with me again tomorrow. All right? Chariot.